The HEPA 500 removes dust and other particles from the air during construction and demolition, sanding, mold remediation, carpet tear-out, or any project that generates particulates. Cleaner air helps protect occupants who have allergies or asthma. To install or change the pre-filters, unlatch and remove the front panel, then install filters in this order. 1. The Stage 2 30% pre-filter into the outer lip area. 2. The Stage 1 10% pre-filter or the activated carbon filter in the compartment closest to the removable front panel. Use different filters for different needs. For dust removal and everyday air filtration, use both the available pre-filters to extend the life of your HEPA filter. For odor control, replace the first pre-filter with an activated carbon filter to reduce odors and fumes from paint, varnish, dead animals, and more. For sensitive projects that require first-pass DOP testing, substitute the optional DOP HEPA filter for the second stage pre-filter in the middle position. After adding or changing filters, reattach the front panel, then remove the front cap. Before turning it on, make sure nothing is blocking the inlet and outlet grills. Unwrap the cord and plug it into a grounded outlet. Turn the switch on, then turn the speed from 500 CFM down to 250 CFM to adjust the airflow for the number of air changes needed per hour. It uses just 3 amps, so you can daisy chain or connect up to 4 units to reduce trip hazards or when outlets are limited. You can operate the HEPA 500 upright or on its back in tight spaces. Stack up to 2 high vertically or duct it into negative air containment projects. When done, turn the unit off, unplug it, and rewrap the cord around the front panel and replace the front cap. The change light comes on when you need to replace the HEPA filter. Use a socket wrench to remove the 8 bolts holding the main HEPA filter in place. Place the used HEPA filter in a garbage bag and seal it, then dispose of it according to local regulations. To change the primary HEPA filter after using it on a project with high-risk particulates like mold, put a respirator and appropriate personal protection equipment, then take the unit outside the cleaned area. HEPA units stack horizontally for storage or transport. Their durable housing with a limited lifetime warranty will stand up to years of rugged use.